Hello everyone and BSI friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aif Agel Kurniawan. I am from the BSI campus majoring in Informatika. And today, I want to convey my opinion about election of Mr. Prabowo as a president. And I will also discuss a little about simple present tense material. Today is historic day for Indonesia. On October 20, 2024, Prabowo Subianto was inaugurated as a president of the Republic of Indonesia, with Gibran Rakabuming Raka as his deputy. This inauguration drew various reaction from the public, especially on platforms such as X and Instagram. During the inauguration, a number of topics immediately trended, including hashtags such as hashtag Prabowo Presiden 2024 and hashtag FufuFafa, which went viral. This topic was colored by various netizen reaction. Some were supportive, some were skeptical, even bringing up a nostalgia or criticism of the trip Prabowo Long's journey to the presidency. Amid the euphoria, most comments discuss the moment of Prabowo's first speech as president. Some netizens highlight his optimistic opening sentence, while others focus on his promise of expected change. However, this inauguration was not free from controversy, starting from allegation of injustice to debates regarding Gibran's position, which some parties consider controversial considering his young age and recent political journey. Interestingly, the topic Fufufafa stole attention. Some netizens said that this topic was a neutral representation of the various opinions that emerged, with humorous memes being widely distributed. That's it. Today, Prabowo has been officially inaugurated. Let's follow the new journey of his government and see wherever the promises that have been made really bring the change that the people want. And now, let's move to the laptop. And now, let's start the presentation. Simple present tense. Definition of simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe action that happen regularly, express fact, or state general truths. It's perfect for describing things we do every day, or statements that are always true. When to use simple present tense? We use the simple present tense to talk about habit or routines, like saying, I drink coffee every morning. Permanent situation, such as she lives in New York. Schedule event, for instance, the train leave at 5 p.m. Positive sentence structure. In positive sentence, the structure is subject plus base verb. For example, she watches TV every night. Notice how we add an S at the end of watch because the subject is she. This is important for third person singular subject. Negative sentence structure. For negative sentence, the structure changes slightly. We use subject plus do or does, plus not, plus base verb. For example, he does not play football. Here we use does not for third person singular subject and do not for other subject. Questions in simple present. To form question, we use do or does plus subject plus base verb. An example would be, do you like pizza? Or does he live here? Remember to use does for he, she, or it. Subject with do and does. Here is a quick reminder. Do is used with I, you, we, and they. Does is used with he, she, and it. Example of sentence. Now, let's look at some example. Positive sentence. She works at the bank. Negative sentence. He does not like a tea. Question sentence. Does she live near here? The sentence show how the simple present tense works for different type of sentence. Used for habits and routines. One common use, the simple present, is used to describe habits or routines, things we do regularly. For example, I brush my teeth every morning. This show an action that happen frequently. Usage for fact and general truths. We also use it to state fact or general truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. This is a fact that doesn't change. So we use the simple present. Schedule event in simple present. Did you know we can use the simple present for schedule event? For example, the bus leaves at 8 a.m. This is a set schedule, so we do not need to use the future tense. Common time expression. Some common time expression for the example for the simple present tense: always, usually, often, sometime, and never. For example, she always eat breakfast in the morning. More example using the time expression. Let's see more example. He usually goes jogging. They never miss a meeting. This sentence use frequency adverbs to show how often something happens. Common error in simple present tense. Be careful with common mistake. One of the most frequent error is forgetting to add s for the third person singular. For example, he play should be he plays. Summary of simple present tense. To sum it up, the simple present tense is used for habit and routines, general fact and truths, schedule event. Remember to use do and does for forming question and negative. Thank you for watching this video. As we continue follow Prabowo presidency, let's also keep practicing our English, starting with the simple present tense. Remember, it's about regular habits, fact, and schedule event. Thank you very much.